Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a first impression on this 12-inch dimmable ring light that I purchased from Amazon. I will link the link below where I got it from. I'm not sure how to really pronounce it, so that will be going across the screen at the bottom. I'm thinking the K is silent, so maybe it's Kshoie ring light. I don't want to get it wrong, so I'll just link that information below. So it came in a package that looks like this, and I believe this ring light was about $80 on Amazon, and I had the Prime shipping, so it got here pretty quickly. At first, I ordered it without it, and it was taking a long time, a very long time, so I just went ahead and just rushed that delivery and switched it. So yeah, so this is what the packaging is looking like. It comes in this, and I'm guessing that this is the stand. Okay, yes, this is the stand. And I did not have to order the pieces separately. I did look at another one that was around the same price, but you would have had to have ordered the stand separately, and I don't want to have to do all of that. So this one came with both. And as soon as I can get this out to show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So I'm guessing that this part is the actual ring light. Yes. So this is what the box looks like right there. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, it's not that hard to get open. I thought it would be. Oh, but it's not. Oh, and it comes in this really nice bag. So that's good for safety reasons and just making sure that it's kept all tight in there so that it doesn't break. And this is what it looks like coming out of the bag. So nice little bag for if you want to travel with it. So this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to open it so that you guys can see all of the parts and everything. I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to break it. It came with these. I'm guessing this is to like adjust if you want to do like different lighting settings. And this is what it looks like. So yes, I cannot wait to turn this on to show you guys what it looks like actually on. And all of that. So it looks like this is the bottom half of it, which is the plug. I really like how they packaged it and everything, so that it just lets me know that they care, because some of these products, they come and they be all beat up and stuff. So I'm like really happy about that. I'm just tossing the bags to the side. So this is like the adapter where this part will go into. So I'm going to get that all going. And I'm not sure what this is. I think this is a piece to maybe clip on to the actual ring light, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to put it all together and come back to show you guys what it looks like once I turn it on and everything like that. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like once it's all set up and done. So I'm just going to set it in front of me so that you guys can see how bright it is. So this is it off, completely off on me. This is like the first stage of it, and then I'm just gonna brighten it a little bit brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. So this is how bright it really gets, and it's kind of far away from me. If I move it close to my face, guys, like wow, like this lighting is bomb.com. So I can't say that I'm like unimpressed, because I'm so impressed on how it is, and I absolutely love the fact that you can dim it, because some of them you can't. It's just once it's on, it's on. So that is an awesome light right here. So yeah, so I am really impressed. I know this is going to take my channel to another level. Just lighting can change a whole lot of things, and just this with my other lights. I don't have my my umbrella light facing me today because I wanted to use this. So once that's this way, and then my other lights, And I actually changed the light bulbs in my filming room to outdoor bulbs, which is much brighter than what I had before. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Videos will be up every Friday. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.